London, the capital city of the United Kingdom, is a vibrant and diverse metropolis that has long been a hub of culture, history, and innovation. With a population of over 8 million people, London is not only the most populous city in the UK, but also one of the most cosmopolitan cities in the world. In this video, we will explore the various aspects that make London a truly unique and captivating city. One of the first things that strikes visitors in London is its rich history and stunning architecture. From the iconic Tower of London, which dates back to the 11th century, to the magnificent Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch, the city is dotted with historical landmarks that have stood the test of time. The city's architecture is a blend of old and new, with striking examples of both medieval and modern structures. The Gothic architecture of Westminster Abbey and St. Paul's Cathedral contrasts with the modernist design of the Shard, Europe's tallest building. Walking through the streets of London is like taking a journey through time, as each neighborhood has its distinct character and architectural style. Hyde Park and Kensington Gardens. Escape the urban hustle and bustle in Hyde Park and Kensington Gardens, London's green oasis. Stroll through the serene gardens, rent a rowboat on the Serpentine Lake, or simply relax in the shade of ancient trees. These expansive green spaces provide a tranquil retreat from the city's vibrant energy. The West End, London's theatre district, is renowned for its world-class productions, with famous venues such as the Royal Opera House and the Shakespeare's Globe Theatre. From classical ballet to cutting-edge contemporary performances, there is something for everyone in London's thriving arts scene. The city is particularly known for its multicultural food offerings, with neighborhoods like Chinatown, Brick Lane, and Little Italy showcasing the rich culinary traditions of their respective communities. Whether you're craving traditional fish and chips, authentic Indian curry, or a gourmet burger, London has it all. Despite being a bustling metropolis, London is also blessed with an abundance of green spaces and parks. Hyde Park, one of the city's largest parks, is a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike, offering a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. Culture and arts. London has always been a center for arts and culture, attracting artists, writers, and musicians from all over the world. The city is home to numerous museums and galleries, including the British Museum, the Tate Modern, and the National Gallery, which house some of the world's most important art collections. The River Thames and Tower Bridge cruise along the majestic River Thames, the lifeblood of the city. Admire the stunning architecture as you pass under the iconic Tower Bridge, a symbol of London's rich maritime history. Capture breathtaking views of the city's skyline, including the Shard and the majestic dome of St. Paul's Cathedral.